Now we are going to work on getting all the orders, and all the orders only admin can access. No matter which user has placed the order, admin can see all the orders. So here I will be writing comment getting all orders. Copy this. Here I will be pasting, and then I'm just going to close this function. I will give the function name as get all orders. Below this, I will be creating one variable orders. Let me increase the size is equal to await, and from this order model, I'm just going to find all the orders. Whatever orders I'm having inside this order model, I'm just going to access all the orders. Below this, I will be sending the response.status. Status code will be 200. JSON method success will be true, and then I will be passing all the orders, and this only admin can access. Now I will copy this route, and then directly I will be passing orders, and again we are getting here we need all these things. I will be pasting the function, remove last letter, hit enter, function will be imported. Now I will come here, copy, here I will be pasting, request is get. Inside this, I will pass admin/orders. Now normal user is logged in. If I click on send, I will be having this error. Come to log out, click on send. I will come to login. Here I will be passing khanamtestad@gmail.com. Click on send. Now admin is logged in. Now if I click on send, you can see admin will be able to access all the orders. Doesn't matter which user has placed the order, admin can access all the orders. I will click on save, come back. Inside this admin, I will be passing get all orders, and then click on save. If I open database, if I refresh, you can see I am having two orders. So all the two orders admin will be able to access. But later on, when we start with front end, how many orders we are having, we just want to find total amount of the order. So what we will do, come here, inside this order controller, here inside this get all orders, we are going to calculate total amount. Below this, I will be creating one variable, let total amount. Initially, I'm just going to assign 0. And here, I'm just going to access orders. And this is nothing but array. Inside this, I'm going to apply this for each loop. I will pass the callback function. I will write order. Open this curly braces, inside which I will be passing this total amount plus equal to. Inside this order, each and every time we are going to have object, and from that object we will be accessing this total price. I will copy, and here I will be pasting. So in this way, I'm going to access total price, and I will be calculating total amount for all the product, and whatever final result I am having, that I will be passing in the response. Now I will come here. You can see now inside this we are not having total amount property, but here if you see, for first product our total price is 960, and for second product our total price is 430. Now I will click on send. I am having total amount, so both the values will be calculated, and that amount will be stored inside this total amount. Okay, in this way we have calculated our total amount, and that we have sent as the response.